In today's video, we will guide you through the process of turning on your Toshiba TV without a remote. Keep watching to learn how and much more. To switch on your Toshiba TV using the power button, you can locate the power button on your TV, which may be situated on the side, back, or front, depending on your model. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Make sure that both your mobile device and TV are connected to the same home Wi-Fi network. When you launch the app, it will automatically detect your TV. Tap on it to pair. Once connected, you can use the power button on the app to turn on your TV. So, there you have it. You can use these 2 steps to turn on your Toshiba TV without a remote. Thanks for watching. Until next time.